that still work?
Yeah, that will work.
Okay, perfect. So yeah, guys, if you want to add keywords in this way to the software, you can spin your keywords and then it will choose the different ones. Just spin it, highlight it, click campaign link. And if we click preview on that, you can see the following article was provided by hairdressers. If I click refresh, the next one would say it was by hairdressers. Refresh that again. Just bear with me 1 second. Was provided by hair. Okay, so you can dot your keywords throughout the article if you want to. Because I'm going to be teaching you a whole SEO strategy, for the most part, I think, at least for now, until we discuss a little bit further, just stick to using your company name, okay? Stick to using that within these articles, okay? Just do that. The problem is, if you actually start using keywords in these, you run the risk of having too many links pointing back to your website with keywords in them. Okay, there's other types of links that we can be building when I talk to you about PBNs, when I talk to you about the citations and building social media links, etc., where we can use keywords we want to rank for. So for now, at least while you're getting familiar with these campaigns, just stick to using the actual company name. Okay, I promise you over the next 2 or 3 webinars, we'll start discussing anchor text properly and how you can understand what you should be using and when. But for now, just to cut your teeth into this, stick to that. If you make a mistake with the campaign, you don't close your spin tags properly, or something goes wrong, as long as you're not using exact keywords, you're not going to get in trouble with Google. Okay, if you accidentally try spinning this and it's a lot of different keywords, you might get in trouble with Google because it's going to look very unnatural. So stick to this safe option, get playing with it and see how the tool works for you. So now that we've got that done, we'll select manually. Again, just click preview one last time just to make sure you don't see any weird spin tags in there and nothing looks broke. Just hover over your link as well. No, that's not going to click that. Alex, it would be really good actually if you could, you see how that's showing ranksnap.online/web/campaign?
Yeah, I see.
It would be quite good if there was a way to just have in the preview a little thing where we could click that and it would open the link in a new window. Just as a final check to make sure.
Good idea. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, I will do that.
Okay, and I would have liked to have been able to click that just to make sure that the URL opened and I weren't going to waste the campaign. Okay, so we're going to start this. It will run over 7 days. We'll click next. And what I'm going to do with this campaign is I'm going to say, I just want it for now to build some blogs, and that's going to be the Strikingly, the WordPress, the Tumblr, etc. And I just want some tier 2 links pointing into this. So notice how I'm doing this with the campaign. I'm not choosing a campaign template. All I'm doing is grabbing a node from the top here and I'm just dragging it down. Okay. And then we're just going to build a couple of different bookmarks to it because this is a nice, simple, easy campaign. Okay. We're going to end up with 10, 12 very good blogs pointing back to our website. And then that's going to get bookmarked on all those top good social bookmarking sites. This is a campaign that's very easy. Once that's run, I can get another article and I could repeat it with a new set of accounts and I could repeat it again. And I could just keep going like this and dripping links out slowly like that with absolutely no worries about creating any problems for my website whatsoever. Okay, as a very basic, easy way for you guys to cut your teeth, just start off here. Okay, don't try and go nuts with it. If you're an SEO that's been doing this a long time and you want to start saying, well, I want a little bit more power going into my blogs, then yeah, you can come down and you can drop in your Web 2.0 properties to also send some links back. You might want to chuck in some status net as well. Okay, and by all means do that as well. These Web 2.0 properties, there's so many of them that these are really going to help Google to index your blogs. Okay, so in fact, I might just leave that in there as a campaign to start with. The bookmarks are going to be really good from a quality point of view.